Hi everybody. I've got a can of cranberry juice in there and a third cup of orange juice and one packet of this is the onion flavor in there, right on top. Paprika, and I'm just gonna be using 1 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon of this poultry seasoning. You guys know what actually is in poultry seasoning? I think sage is in there, but I don't know what else. So if you know, let me know in the comments. Garlic powder. You're probably wondering, what am I doing with orange juice and cranberry sauce and garlic powder and poultry seasoning? 2 teaspoons of dark brown sugar. 1, there's 2. Let me just mush this down so it's all combined. And you can use just the jellied cranberry sauce or the whole berry. I'm using the whole berry one, but that's just my personal preference. You can use the jellied cranberry sauce if you don't like, you know, the berries. So just mush this all down. Oh, even before I turn this on, it already smells amazing. And I'm gonna go ahead and take this out. And then I've got this turkey. It's a 3-pound turkey breast only. You don't, you know, it's a small gathering, so you don't need to use the entire turkey. And look, it fits perfect. So, smush it in there. Just take your hands, it'll probably just be easier. And just kind of massage that turkey with this cranberry onion soup goodness. And then it's just that simple. Oh, I do have one more ingredient because I want to add just a little bit of extra fat because it's just turkey breast and not a whole turkey. And so we're going to add a whole stick of butter. I'm just going to put that right on top, just like that. I put the lid on this. It's going to go on low for 4 to 6 hours. And then we're going to do a taste test. It smells so good in here, guys. Ooh, look at this, guys. It looks amazing. Oh my God. And it smells so good in the kitchen right now. Like, let me see if I can tip this closer to you. Oh, look at that. Okay, I'm gonna get a board to cut it on, but I need to move this out of the way. So how do I do that? Okay, I'm gonna just, ooh, I can slide it with that. Perfect. Okay, so got this board. Have my turkey. So excited. Oh, just need to make sure I can get it out. Look at that. Oh, and there's like still like the cranberries and all that still on top. Okay, go ahead and move this some more. Let's see what this looks like. Okay. This has been going on low for about 5 hours, so. Oh, look. Okay. Oh, that looks amazing. Okay. I'm gonna cut one more slice. I'm gonna hold on to this whole, but this is gonna be so amazing in like sandwiches later. Okay, let me grab a fork and oh, that looks amazing. Melt in your mouth. You guys have to have this. Make this. You'll love it.